Dat je dan angst van
Ever wondered how soldiers used to fire guns in the 17th century? Well, here in Vesting Bourtange, you don't just see it, you experience it.
Are you gonna fire?
This live demonstration shows how the Dutch army once defended this star-shaped fortress. Everything, from the uniform to their weapons, is recreated with precision. The soldiers explain how these guns worked, how much time reloading took, and the teamwork it required to stay ready for the next shot. It's not just a show. It's a time machine that takes you back to when this fortress protected the northernmost border of the Netherlands. Complete with period costumes, real tools, and even the old guns they used. They explained everything, all in the most fun and interactive way. The moment they fire, the sound echoes across the fortress. It's loud, real, and it hits you with history. If you're ever in Groningen province, make sure you catch this demonstration live. You can watch the full video of Vesting Bourtange on our channel by clicking the link above. It's pure history in motion. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories. See you in the next one.
En dan komen ze ineens heel dichtbij, hè? Op een schaal van 1 tot 10, hoe bang was u, meneer?